Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Chat GPT with the software Blender. Blender is a 3D software to create 3D image, objects, whatever design you will like to make it, okay? First, we are here in chat.openai.com/chat. Once we have opened this page, we're gonna go to www.blender.org. We're gonna click there, okay, and it's gonna show us this page. We go to download, and simple as that. You just download the software, and it's gonna appear like this, okay. This is the program. This is the Blender program for designing, okay? Now we want to create our own design without any knowledge about how to use the program or how to design or how to code in Python. Python is the language that this program use for coding, okay? When we have the software download, we're gonna go again to Chat GPT, and we're gonna ask the robot to design something for us, okay? For example, please, can you design in Python 10 cubes in parallel for Blender? We send it and we wait for the answer, okay, for the code. Okay, we can see that the robot is writing our code that we're gonna use to paste in the Blender text editor, okay. Keep in mind that you can use Chat GPT to create anything that you will like in Blender software, okay. Anything, any design, a house, a car, whatever you like to, okay. Now we're gonna copy the code. We click, we go again to Blender, we're gonna remove this cube, okay. We just have to click with the left button of the mouse. We're going now to the right button and we delete the cube. Now we have here a button, okay, here in the middle part of the screen. We click and we click in the text editor, okay. Now we will click in view, sorry, not in view, here, and we click in new, okay. Here is where we're gonna paste our code, okay, that Chat GPT just give us. We paste. Now we go again to text and we click here where it says run a script. You see, straight away we have our design. We have 10 cubes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 cubes. You can design wherever you want without any knowledge about creating 3D models or figures or things like that, okay. You can see here we have our model. Let's add something else to the design. For example, we go again to Chat GPT. We're gonna ask, please, can you add to the code 10, for example, 10 circles on top of the cubes. Let's send it. Okay, here's the modified script that create 10 cubes in parallel and add a circle on top of each cube. Okay, we're gonna wait until we have the full code, and we're gonna paste in Blender. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, this was the old one, old code, and now it's writing the things that we asked to do for us. Okay, we copy the code, we go again to Blender, we're gonna delete all the previous code, we delete the circles also, we select the circles and delete one by one. Okay, we delete one by one. To delete, you just have to click with the mouse the left bottom, then right bottom, and delete. Select, delete, select, delete. Okay, now that we don't have any objects, we're gonna paste the new code. Okay, like before, we click in text and run a script. We can see that now we have our circles. Okay, you can see that we have our design. This is just a simple example to show you how to use Chat GPT with Blender, where to find the window to paste your code, how to run the code, and etc. If you want to do something else, you just have to ask to Chat GPT to make the design that you want. Remember, put the language Python and for Blender, okay, in Chat GPT to show the robot what you are looking for. Okay, that's it for today, and thank you very much, and see you in the next video.